Cron lets you run any flow on a schedule you set, so the weekly report reminder posts to Slack without anyone remembering it. Your sales numbers get checked every Monday. Your CRM gets scanned for duplicates on the 30th of every month. In this video, I will build a cron that runs every Monday and Saturday at 12 in the afternoon and posts a Slack reminder to submit the weekly report inside viaSocket. Let's build this inside viaSocket. Head to your dashboard and click on Create New Flow. Every flow starts with a trigger. Now, select Cron as your trigger and write in plain English to set the cron at 12 p.m. every Monday and Saturday, or set whatever you want and click Set Cron. The cron has been set up. Now let's add our action that is Slack. Click Add Step, search for Slack, and select it. And choose Send Message. Connect your Slack workspace if you haven't already. Choose the channel where you want to send the reminder, and tag any person if you want, and then enter your message something like, "Hello everyone, this is a friendly reminder to submit your weekly report today. Please ensure your report includes all completed tasks, ongoing work, and any blockers you've encountered. Kindly submit it by the end of the day. Thank you." Save the action. Now click Go Live to make your workflow active. That is the whole flow. A cron that fires on schedule and a Slack message that goes out on its own. 2 steps and the reminder never depends on anyone remembering it. Sales can use it for pipeline updates. HR can use it for timesheet reminders. Support can use it for a daily ticket recap. Anything that depends on a clock can run without you. Set it once and let it run in viaSocket.